again and to all the nails. You know what, be honest, you don't necessarily, when it's going to the nails, you don't have to do primer, but I love to be doing like a double, triple, you know me.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
you want to make sure you get that extra level of secureness.
just the reason I'm doing it, it's just to really like
make
completely
sure the nail bed and the nail tip is.
And then moving on the beige gels. Is everyone still doing okay so far? All right, beige gels. So when you're doing a gel polish, I would suggest doing a beige gels because I rather to have it adhere so well. But I just add an extra step. It won't take so long. But it will avoiding just in case that if you're using a different like a brand, it's still able to adhere on, but then just in case they are not going to adhere and they're peeling off, you don't want that. You don't want the clients come back and like, oh my gosh, the set looks nice, but my nails is polish is peeling off. Say no, you don't want that. Okay, so now if you're seeing that, I just talking like the nails is up in the air like this. Is this okay to doing it in like really quick? But if you have it in the air, up in the air like this, if you polish about 2 clients, your arm's gonna be so tired and soon get it out, you know, like arthritis or your arm's gonna be so hurt. Okay, 10 seconds it is.
10 seconds.
Yes. And we are going to do beige, which is from the Dare to Bear collection. I love this one. And I did use a coffin extra longs. And then if you want to get extra long, you love the long one, get the extra long. And then if you change your mind, you can, if you want to go shorter, I mean, long and medium, you can trim them shorter. So then you have an option of go all the way long to like short. Give it a good shake. And then we're gonna using this color. Let's see what is beige gonna offer us. I'm using this color so much to the point I think my bottle is just like empty. Seriously, Mika, it's like empty.
I see that.
No, because I polished Mika nails and she had extra long.
Sure.
So talking about that, you make sure for all of you who is like nail lover is not, it's just like, it's just an idea for you just in case in the future you decide to become a nail technician, and make sure you include it is if her nails is cost the whole bottle to do for polishing her extra long nails. She's just talking about this is 5 nails and she doing it. Make sure that you include it on her tab, okay?
Okay, 40-ounce smoothie. Got you loud and clear.
Yes. So make sure that it says, oh my God, what happened? All right, let me share with 1 second. So for the polishing, there's 1,000 different ways to polish, and I always getting like a fund. So when you pick up the gel polish, this can be is really cool, easy, but also can be really tricky, and then it's gonna make it a mess when you're polishing. So pick up, shake it well, and then pick up, and then wipe up on one end. Okay, so fur it just decide to join the team. So pick up one end and wipe up on one end, and leave the other end as a nice and full one bead. And what you are going to do is place right close to the cuticles. Are we still there? Yeah. Okay, sorry. The camera. Okay. And then you are going to get it close to the cuticles, And when you are going to brush it down, you are going to leave your bristle from 45-degree angle, and you keep it parallel flat and let it flows. You don't want to do too aggressive. Like if you press it too much pressures, it's gonna start getting really like streaky. So repeat it again.
Too much pressure will make it really streaky.
Yeah. So just basically you really like a gentle, like everything is we're talking about like a baby touch, huh? You know what? If you pay attention, that is just linked to a lot with the liquid and powders and velvety gels as well, because everything you just like treat it like a baby. You don't want to be. It's just so heavy-handed and aggressive.
Right. Yes, ma'am. And you want to make sure you're not over curing your base, right?
Yeah. Just 10 seconds is absolutely. You don't want to be. Oh, awesome. So beige. Okay, here for 60 seconds. So I hope.
Want me to check?